In this video I'm going to show you how to get paid $2.49 every min watching ads online. Please like and share this video for other people to see it for higher recommendation. Now without wasting time, let's dive into the video. Today everyone can work online. Get paid to invite friends, watching ads from brands you care about. Your attention is valuable. Watch brands. Get your attention from brands using ads is the perfect way to earn money at Cashvip. Invite friends. Share your unique referral link with your friends, family and followers. You'll earn $5 per sign-up. Get paid. We offer many ways to get paid, choose the one that is best for you. Who we work with? Cashvip believes your full attention is worth something. That's why we work with high-value advertising companies to make you get paid in your spare time. Start your online job today by clicking Sign Up button. Enter your information and sign up. Log in your new account. Congratulations, you have just received your $10 welcome bonus. Below are available videos ads to be completed to start earning right away. You can make your first $2.49 in minute and withdraw through PayPal or direct to your bank account. Have further questions, comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.